User permissions by department. Exigo allows the ability to apply user permissions on a larger scale using departments and security templates. This functionality saves time as user permissions are not set on each individual user. This training video will review number 1, setting up departments, number 2, assigning users to those departments, 3, setting up security templates, and 4, propagating security templates to the departments. Setting up departments. To set up a department, go to Administration, then Settings, then Company Settings, and then Department. To add a department, click on Modify Department Settings in the Department section. Clicking on Modify Department Settings will display the following window. From this window, you have the ability to delete a department or add a department. Please note that if there are users assigned to a department, the department cannot be deleted. Clicking on Add Department will display the following window. To add a department, simply type in the department name and click Add Department. Clicking on Save Changes will finalize the addition of the department. Assigning users to departments. In Exigo, users are assigned to a department. To assign a user to a department, go to Administration, then to Users. Click on the user you wish to assign to a department or change department, and the following window will be displayed. Click on Modify User Details. From this window, you will choose the appropriate department from the drop-down list. To finalize your changes, click Save Changes. Setting up security templates. Templates in Exigo are essentially the same as users. To begin setting up a template, navigate to Administration, then to Users. The following window will be displayed. To create a new template, click on Add User. On the General tab as shown on this window, enter a login name, first name, last name, and password for the template. Consider some of the following names for templates: CSR Level 1, CSR Level 2, CSR Supervisor, or one of your choice. Once you have completed this information, proceed to the User Menu tab. The User Menu tab is where you will designate the user permissions to be applied to the template you are creating. For example, a CSR may not need all edit capability or something as broad as the administration menu. User permissions applied to the template are solely at the discretion of the client. Once you have completed selecting the appropriate user permissions, click Add User. One additional step is required if you wish to segregate user permissions by country, warehouse, etc. To set these up, find and click on the template just created. From this window, click on Modify User Security, and the following window will be displayed. Two types of restrictions can be controlled on this window: Customer Access and Order Access. From the Customer Access tab, you can click on any checkbox to activate a restriction for the template. For example, if you are restricting by country and only United States is checked, the user will only have access to those customers with a US address. Order access restrictions are also available. This tab deals with expected payments. Many clients do not use expected payments, so you may not find this tab relevant. When all changes have been made, click Save. Propagating security templates. Exigo refers to the assignment of user permissions to all users within a department to propagation. Ensure all appropriate users have been tied to the correct department prior to proceeding with propagation. The propagation process may be found via Administration, then Security Templates. To begin the propagation process, click on the ellipses at the end of the row of the department. Choose a Management Department Security to tie a template to a department. Clicking on Management Department Security will display the following window. To choose the template that was just set up, click on the ellipses to search for the user template to be utilized. Once the template has been chosen, the user profile name will show. Ensure the checkbox next to Active Profile is checked, and then click on Save Changes. Return to the Security Template window shown below for the final step of the propagation process. Click on Propagate Profile Rules, and once the following window has opened, click on Start Security Rules Propagation. The process has been completed. Click the X or Cancel to complete. Please use extreme caution with the Propagate All Profiles option. This option applies the user permissions from the templates to all users. To review the log of changes for the security template, click on View Log. The log shows all changes to department ties and propagation. This concludes user permissions by department setup. For a more in-depth overview on this subject, check out the corresponding training document in the details section below.